So I ordered through the mail a third-party cabin air filter because my Mitsubishi Lancer did not come equipped with one. So I'm going to show you how to put a cabin air filter, or replace, if you want to use it for replacing, into your 2002 through 2003 Mitsubishi Lancer. The model I'm using is the ES model, so yeah, just follow along. Along the sides you have two pins that actually hold the box on, and what you're going to do with this side actually is first you're going to push it in, and then what I did to get mine out is I pushed it against the plastic here to allow it to push itself inward and out, because it's a clip. It's just a clip. And then how to remove the glove box, you just take this side, pull it in. So pull it in and pull it down. And then underneath here, it should just slide off. And then pull it down. And then it should just slide right off. There we go. So now that the glove box is out, it leaves me with this open slot here. And it says to use a knife to cut out that spot. So I don't have a screw or a knife on me, but I will go get one, so give me just a second. My car was not equipped with one, so I bought the third-party one on here. And what I'm gonna do is, this is a drastic moment for me, and this is kind of funny. Take a look. Every time that thing opens, it's kind of funny. No, this is drastic because you're supposed to cut here if you want to install the new filter, and that's kind of hard because, you know, you're wrecking something of your car. Oh, here goes nothing. Oh God, that's such a terrible feeling. Sometimes I wonder if it's even worth it, you know. But they give you this nice little slot to cut, so just makes me wonder, is it actually worth it at times? See if I can set this down somewhere. It's been almost 20 years since this plastic's ever been touched. Oh my gosh. Okay, so far so good. Now get the top. Not getting anywhere. This is a lot more time consuming, more difficult than I thought. Oh, this is gonna just come right out. Okay, so far. Okay, there. I'm gonna bring it down. Okay, that breaks that side. Then chop this side down. There we go. I'm gonna break apart and pull it off. There we go. Check the fan. See all the grime and dirt in there? I can turn it on. All the dirt that's collected in there. Yeah. Well, the fan does need to come out someday, and maybe I'll give it a little dose of WD-4 to give it some spin. Yeah, but that's the fan in there. What I'm gonna do is take the cabin air filter right here and just slide it in. I think I actually have it upside down. Check, I might have it upside down. Yeah, because there we go. There's a little pin that thing should hook onto. And there we go. There we go. Cabin air filter is in. Now the problem with these third-party air filters, look at that. Hole in lined up. Same down there, it's even worse, but let me go find some screws so I can screw it in and try it out. Actually, try it out. All right, so I'm gonna go get some screws and screw it in. So I'm not gonna use the screws and bolts that were included now that I'm back. I went inside and actually took these off a door in my house, and I'm gonna see if they fit the molding. It may be a little small. So give me a second. It might be a little small. as long as they thread in and they hold it, the new cabin air filter, that's all that matters. Because I just cut a hole in my car for this cabin air filter, and it better go in. It's kind of what I'm thinking in my head. There we go. Sorry, there you go. Not really looking into the camera right now. It's really cold. Oh, there we go. There we go. Cabin air filter is now installed. Let's see if I can get air. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Stop. Okay. Just feet. Sweet. Sweet. Got it. It works. Hook it in by these two hooks. And then what I did to get it back in is I clipped that one in first, and then I put the other pin back in. So that's pretty much it. Then you close it up, you test it. That motor's probably never seen a cabin air filter, but it seems to be warm, but that's also because I've probably been sitting in this car with the heat off. So, oh yeah, I got more power now. No, I don't. It feels the same. So, but that's just how you install a cabin air filter inside your 2002 Mitsubishi Lancer. Bye-bye. Until I make another camera video. I hope this brief video, I haven't been making a camera video just because I have other things I have to do, but I hope this brief video, oh, a Simply Southern shirt, helps someone who wants to put a cabin air filter inside their Mitsubishi Lancer. I don't know, the car's almost 20 years old now, but I know there is a cult growing for these Mitsubishi Lancers. So I'm videotaping off my phone. I apologize deeply about the terrible conditions on lighting and the terrible all the videotaping. So I hope this helps somebody. Do like, comment, or whatever if you want me to do more to my Mitsubishi Lancer. It's just an old car that I drive around, but I'm always willing to do something. So, like, comment, subscribe, I don't know, up to you. But, bye. It's very foggy out right now.